Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Analytics 4 for UX event reporting, full guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Google Analytics website. Log in with your Google account credentials. Once logged in, access your desired property from the account menu. Locate the admin gear icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on the admin icon to open the admin settings. In the Property column, select Data Streams. Choose the appropriate data stream where you want to enable UX event reporting. Click on the data stream name to view its details. Scroll down to find the Enhanced Measurement section. Ensure that the Enhanced Measurement toggle is turned on. This feature automatically tracks various user interactions on your site. Now, navigate back to the admin menu. In the Property column, select Events. Here, you can review existing events tracked by Google Analytics 4. To create a custom event, click the Create Event button. Enter a unique event name that describes the action you want to track. Define the parameters for your custom event based on your UX needs. Be sure to include conditions for when this event should trigger. After completing the setup, click Create to finalize your custom event. Return to the admin menu again. Next, under the Property column, click on Conversions. To designate an event as a conversion, find your custom event. Toggle the conversion switch next to your event name to enable it. This will allow you to track important interactions as conversions in your reports. Visit the Reports section to analyze your UX data. Select Engagement and then Events to see your tracked events. You can also explore user behavior and interaction trends using various report metrics. Continue refining your tracking settings as needed for better insights. Finally, monitor your events periodically to ensure accurate data collection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.